Good morning, YouTube land. How is everybody doing this fine morning? Before we get started today, I've got two shout outs. One is for Scrap Gods for the Boys. He wanted a shout out. I've been trying to get to it, and I apologize for not getting to it sooner. But thank you, Scrap Gods for the Boys. He's always around. He's always supporting the channel and other people's channel. So thank you so much. Number two, the second shout out today goes to Robert Grenier, and I hope I pronounced your name right. Robert commented that he comes from a long line of scrappers. He comes from an iron and steel family. His mom would iron all day and his dad would steel all night. So I thought that was a funny joke. I told him also that I was going to get that out probably 2 videos ago. So thanks, Robert. That made me laugh. I appreciate it, buddy. There's your shout out. So guys, it's February 14th. Well, no, it's February 13th. Tomorrow is Valentine's Day. So I got this bouquet, and here's what I did. Went to the local grocery store and I bought just the flowers for $14.99. And then I spent $7 or maybe $8 for this stupid plastic blue vase. So $22, $23 for this rather skimpy looking bouquet. And so I thought, what else can I do? Well, I went over to Aldi's. Aldi's has flowers. This is 6 roses for $3.99. $4, under $4 for 6 roses. And I also got these. So I got to kind of cut these up and put it all together and try and make it look better. Okay, so there's the finished product. I put the roses in there and cut things to different levels, and you know what? That looks pretty nice. So here's the thing. If you were to ask me, what do you like better, Father's Day or Valentine's Day? Definitely Father's Day. You know why? Because it's the only day of the year that I don't have to worry about giving somebody something else. Well, what about your birthday, right? The birthday, that's your special day. No, see, my birthday is Valentine's Day. So when it comes to Valentine's Day, I have to go and make sure that we got some flowers, we got a card. If there's no diet going on, we'll get a little chocolate, you know, and we'll spend $50, $75 for stuff to make my wife know that I love her. I don't get it. Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're being safe. I hope you're keeping warm as far as that goes. I hope you're enjoying your Valentine's Day today. It is February 14th. I did get those flowers done. I took them into my wife's work along with a giant mylar bear. She's a school teacher for 3rd graders, so I think the kids will be excited when she walks into her room carrying this bear. So we'll see, but here's a picture of that. So anyway, we were going to go home now, and we were going to do the drawing for the box of treasures for the 1,000 subscriber drawing. And then we were going to go do the drawing for what I'm going to call all y'all. So is it going to be Shane Man Army, Shane Man Nation, Shane Maniac, Shaniac, Shanesters? There's a lot of good suggestions there. And I'm not saying I'll never tap into some of those, but today we're going to figure out what the main one's going to be. I have a feeling I know which one it is because it seemed very popular as I was replying to all the comments. So yeah, let's go home and take care of that business. Okay everyone, I tallied up the votes and here are the top 6 names. We have Shane Man fans, there's 5 of those. Shane Crew, 6 of those. Shane Man Army got 7 votes. Shane Maniacs got 12 votes. Shane Man Nation got 28 votes. But the number 1 is Shaniacs for 40 votes, everybody. And if you combine Shaniacs and Shane Maniacs, which are pretty similar, you'd have about 52. So I am definitely going to be using this mostly, but I'm also going to be flipping into Shane Man Nation because there's a lot of people that like that, and I do too. I like them both. But now let's get on to the main drawing. Okay, everyone, we have 119 entries in this thing. 119. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go to the bottom. We're going to click randomize 3 times. And whoever hits this #1 spot will be the winner of the prizes. So here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Larry Horsley, you are the big winner. So, oh, look at that. Free is better 86 was #6. Darren Curry, #7. Mandy Boyd, #9. All right, everyone. Oh, this here is kind of interesting here. On this is one of our viewers from Israel. So I don't know how to pronounce that, but there you go. So Larry, I will contact you, and we will get your address, and we will mail out this package as soon as you can get your address to me. So thanks everybody for participating in this, and let's go on and do a quick mystery box. Okay guys, so this box came in the auction like this. It had this, I don't know if this is a bed sheet or what it is, over it. So I really didn't know what it was. I did pick it up. It had some good weight to it. As they were getting to it, I only paid $2.50 for this box. As they were getting to it, the auctioneer's assistant reached in and pulled this out. So I knew this was in there, which is a tray, silver tray, pretty ornate. But I don't see any markings on the back. So that's the only thing that I knew for sure was in there. So let's get to it and see what else is in here. Okay, I hope you can see that okay. So we're going to start with this. I'm going to try not to look down there. But, oh, this is a shower curtain. So kind of a ornate shower curtain. Okay. All right, I see a book. Family Guide to Natural Medicine. Okay, exciting stuff. Some general purpose insulation. Awesome. What do we have here? This is a Rubbermaid microwavable heatables thing. So exciting, exciting, exciting. What is this? This is a common pitch Hip Valley. Oh, it's like a roofing. Swanson Tool Company, Frankfort, Illinois. Definitely feels like it's aluminum, but it looks like you use it for roofing of some sort. Oh, there's the, I don't know if you can see it, Swanson right here. Yeah. It's hard for me to film this and look at the picture, so I don't know, definitely aluminum. So, what do we got here? This looks like 2 trays. They're cold because they've been out in my garage. Feel like aluminum. Got these clips on them. And it's got these drainage things here. Anybody have any idea what those are? Let me know. Alright, we got ourselves a glass, I don't know. Okay, we got an over-the-door thing for hanging your clothes on. Here's another book. And oh, it's Reader's Digest, I think. Yep, Reader's Digest. Woohoo! No good. Alright, what else we got in here? Oh, we got, I hope you can see this. You can see them. This is the bathroom. Nature calls. He answered here. Warning, management may revoke squatters' rights at any time. Oh, these are all bathroom things, maybe. Let's see. Tennis is the only game where you make love and don't score. Ah, clever. Okay, so a couple. That ones are all ripped up. Anyway, a couple vintage signs there. Interesting. Oh boy, we got some cassettes. Who we got? We got the Nutcracker. Woohoo! And the Golden Years, 1955. That's what everybody wants. All right, then we got ourselves a crystal plate, at least it feels like crystal, is very, very heavy. It's got that frosted flowers in it. So, and what do we got here? Crochet made easy, timeless doilies, and tabletop elegance. Dang, we're hitting it today. Alright, here's something wrapped up in paper. It looks like a divided candy dish. Oh boy. We have a snowman plate by Gibson called Festive. Okay. And I guess I call it a fruit bowl. No maker's mark. Alright. And one last thing. Well, this goes with that bowl, so it's a bowl. It's a bowl combination dealio. So, alright. One last little thing in here. Oh, that's cute. This is a little, if you can see that, it's like a ball of thread, and then like rolls of fabric, like for a dollhouse or something. That's kind of cute. I'm going to give that to my mom. She's a quilter. She'll get a kick out of that. So, that's it, guys. Woo! That's what $2.50 can buy you at the Moline auction. Okay, so I decided to do the other mystery box I got from Friday night's auction. This is the one where the auctioneer said it was full of radios and clock radios and transistor radios. Don't know. So let's take a look in this, since that first one was kind of a downer. See what this one is. All right, let's do this thing. Right back down there. All right. First thing we got, old General Electric clock radio. Okay. This next one, this is more my style, the one I think is pretty cool. I mean, the style I think is pretty cool. I hope they're... Anyway, I'll show you this to you. It is a Sears solid state multi-band radio. I'm hoping that the cord is in the back. And it is. Awesome. See that? So wow, look at that. It even looks like that's got the original earpieces in it. My gosh, it's almost like that's never been used. That whole thing looks brand new. Wow. It's even got the antenna still attached. Wow, that's a very, very nice piece. AM, CB. Wow, that's a very, very nice piece. Well, there again, I can't really get any sound out of it. But that doesn't mean somebody else couldn't, though. And that is really in incredible shape, I gotta admit. So, oh wow, this next one. Oh, I hope this is in the box. Oh my goodness. Check out this box. Sears Go Anywhere. Oh, this thing looks super, super retro, dude. Oh my gosh. Still got the original paperwork. Oh my gosh, check this out. Sold for $79.99. $79.99 win. Let's see if we can find a date. 1983. Ha! Oh my gosh, this is going to be awesome if it's in here. It is! Oh my gosh, again, it looks like it's never been open. Sweet. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Check it out. It's pretty dirty up here. So it's been used. Oh, yeah, you can see some dirt back there, but wow. Look at that dial. Isn't that the bomb? Holy cow, we gotta plug this thing in. What's in here? Okay, there's another probably earphone set in there. Okay. Yeah, I'm not getting anything out of it, guys, unfortunately. Still a very cool piece. And what else we got in here is another radio on the side. I can't put shit. Oh man, I remember these. Holy crap. Remember these old ones here? one has the cord in it. So let's take a... Well, I can kind of hear it moving through the channels. These are super stiff and hard to turn. So, and it's in pretty bad shape. I mean, if you look inside the dial area, it's very rough, you know. But definitely not a real collector's piece. And then it looks like we got 2 speakers. They are air suspension speakers. If you've ever heard of those, I have not. Cool old retro speakers. So a pair of them. And then we got 2 smaller transistor radios. So it's old Panasonic and an Emerson. This is the silver ones at Emerson. So cool. I will play around with those later and see if they work. Kind of a nice collection there. Not bad. I paid $5 for this box and got all this stuff out of there. So very interesting. I will put at the end of this video what things could possibly sell for. So look forward to that. In the meantime, thanks for watching. We got a lot of cool stuff here. So yeah, I think I'm going to put on my transistor radio and go strutting. Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching, thanks for being a part of this channel. Weather's getting warmer. I'm hesitant to say that, but it's getting a little bit warmer, so maybe this Saturday I'll be out dumpster diving again. We'll see. There is no auction Friday night, so we'll see what happens. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, congratulations to the winner, and thank you for tuning in. We will definitely see you at the next dumpster. Peace out, everybody. Take care.